This question belongs to engineering mathematics subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2014 set 2. So the question states, the security system in an IT office is composed of 10 computers, of which exactly 4 are working. To check whether the system is functional, the officials inspect 4 of the computers picked at random without replacement, which means after picking we can't put it back. The system is deemed functional if at least 3 of the 4 computers inspected are working. Let the probability that the system is deemed functional be denoted by P, then 100P equals to. See, we have a system with 10 computers. Out of this 10, working are 4 and non-working are 6. Now to check whether the system is functional or not, we will pick out 4 computers out of it at random without replacement, which means after picking one, only 9 will be remaining. Then after picking more one, 8 will be remaining. Now if we have more than 3 working, then the system will be called functional and its probability is given by P. Then we need to find the value of 100P equals to what? Okay, so let us do this. See here, we are given that, so what is, let P denote a working computer probability. Okay, P of working computer, P of working computer. So how many working computer do we have? We have exactly 4 are working out of 10. So it is 4 by 10. So what is the probability of non-working computer? Probability of non-working computer is 4 are working. So it is equals to 1 minus probability of working, which is 4 by 10. So it is equals to 6 by 10 as 6 are non-working computers. Okay, now we are taking out 4 computers. Now there can be 3 cases. They can be basically moved. Let us divide the cases, group the cases. So first case can be exactly 3 are working. See, we need to find the probability that the system is deemed to be functional. Now system is functional when more than 3 are working. So it means either exactly 3 are working or exactly 4 are working, because we can't have more than 4 working computers and we are picking out only 4 computers. So either for more than 3 are working, either 3 are working or 4 are working. So for exactly 3 are working, we can have 3 cases. Either first, second and third are working and fourth is not working, or first and second are working, third is not working, fourth is working, first is working, second is not working, third is working, fourth is working, or first is not working, second, third and fourth are working. Now let us calculate the probability of this part. So probability of first, second and third being working and fourth is not working is given by, see, first we have to pick out a working computer. So its probability is 4 by 10, already given over here. Now total computers left are 9 and the working computers left are, see, initially we have working, non-working. Non-working we have 6, working we have 4. If we take out one computer, working is left to be 3 and total are 9. So next probability is 3 by 9. Now if we pick out a working, it's left to be 2, it's left to be 6 only. So it's 2 by 8. Now if we pick a non-working, so non-working is 6 and total are 8, so it's 6 by 8. So it comes out to be 144 by 5040. Now let us calculate for this one. See, we have working and non-working. Working we have 4, non-working we have 6. If we pick out a working, then the probability of picking out a working in PWWNW is, it is 4 by 10. Now we are left with 3. Picking a working is 3 by 9. Now we are left with 2. Picking a non-working is 6 by 8. We are left with 5. Picking a working is 2 by 7. Here it was 6 by 7. Yes. Now see, the numerators are 2, 3, 4, 6. Here also 2, 3, 4, 6. And denominators are 7, 8, 9, 10. Here also 7, 8, 9, 10. Just this 2 and 6 got interchanged. So which means for all the 4 we will be getting the same probability. So probability of more than 3 working are for these 4 cases, and for each case the probability is 144 by 5040. So it comes out to be 576 by 5040. Now let us do case 2. See, for the system to be functional, more than 3 should of the 4 computers should be working. So either 3 are working or 4 are working. So probability of working 4 working computers is equals to P of WWWW. So it is, initially we have working and non-working. Working we have 4, non-working we have 6. So it is 4 by 10. Now 1 is removed, so we are left with 3 by 9. 1 more is removed, we are left by 2 by 8. 1 more is removed, we are left by 1 by 7. So it comes out to be 24 by 5040. So what is our total probability? Let me write it over here. So our final probability P equals to probability of more than 3 working. Probability of more than 3 working equals to probability of 3 working plus probability of 4 working. Probability of 3 working is 576 by 5040 and probability of 4 working is 24 upon 5040. So it comes out to be 600 by 5040, which is our value of P. So what is 100P? 100P equals to 600 into 100 divided by 5040. If you will compute it, it will come out to be 11.90. So answer to this question is 11.90.